I should have sent out this video earlier, but I've been very busy with different projects, so I didn't have time. So here you go. I received some emails from my followers and businesses about this algorithm update, and here is my take. Google dropped another big algorithm update this November, and as always, it's got the SEO word buzzing. Google says it's all about improving search quality, making sure users get the best, most relevant content, blah, blah, blah. But as we've seen with the past update, there is always a lot more going on under the surface, and this one feels no different. What's changing? This update isn't about one specific area, it's more of a general shift in how Google evaluates content. According to Google, it's focusing on expertise, authoritativeness, and trustworthiness, which essentially means they want to give more visibility to sites that can prove they know their stuff and are trustworthy. Sounds good, right? But here's the catch. What really tends to happen after this kind of update is that the smaller businesses and independent content creators are the ones who feel the impact. Suddenly, sites that used to rank well organically drop in visibility, while larger, more authoritative brands and those with bigger ad budget stay on top. I've been working on ad campaign creation at the Google Ad Campaign Management for major player companies within jewelry, real estate, car dealerships, cosmetics, dental clinics, and some of their budget is around $3 million pounds a year. So I had this large budget. I worked with large budget advertising, and I know that Google says that there is no correlation between organic search algorithm and search marketing and paid Google paid algorithm, but they do correlate. They if you don't optimize your website, your landing page, your ad won't perform well. It's obvious. I mean, you have to have the keywords you're targeting in advertising, you have to place them on your landing page. Some companies who have other campaign managers, they don't care and they keep paying, and their advertisers use bots and AI, artificial means, in order to work. And I mean, they just get the money, put the money in there, and the ad runs and artificially pays more in order to rank higher. I've been doing it manually, and because I know that as a human being, your intelligence tells you if you do that way, it's better. Especially, I've been working on multilingual campaigns in different languages. No, I don't use translator programs. I'm taking campaigns that I know the language. Otherwise, I don't risk on it. So um, that's why I heard some complaints from people who have other agencies working on their ads. These businesses were complaining that, Maria, I keep paying, and it seems like my ads are not performing well. And I say, well, when I look at the ad, I see that they connected to their ad software, and this is why the ads don't work well. So I come up with suggestions, and those work for them, and they increase sales. Anyway, the question here is Google pushing everyone toward Google ads? Ads everywhere. Here's the thing: organic traffic, especially for competitive niches like health, finance, or e commerce, is getting harder and harder to maintain without heavy investment in Google ads. The November update, like many before it, seems to make it even more challenging to rank without paying for that top spot, just like YouTube. Google has the same strategy for YouTube. I mean, those who are YouTubers, they keep paying for sponsorship, and of course they make money out of it as well, but they, if they don't pay, they won't be influencer, they won't be, what I'm saying is they pay for videos they're making, and they pay a sponsor ads for a sponsor YouTube ads. That's why they get targeted audience and traffic, and they rank higher. This is how it is. I mean, if you have quality content, do the right SEO on the content, then because I paid for those YouTube softwares, both of them, those are, I'm not going to mention their names because I'm not affiliated with them. I tried them, I saw the pattern, and I stopped paying them, I stopped using them. So the thing is, I'm not paying for, I'm not right now, I'm so busy with my projects that I don't have time to invest on paying to YouTube to advertise my videos. So these are informational videos I post online to increase awareness. And there is, you don't see AdSense in my articles, do you? Because I just want people ad free, read quality content, and become aware of what's going on. And I'm not in anybody's bandwagon to defend anybody. So I am independently providing my thoughts, my research to my audience and whoever is interested in hearing and reading my thoughts on the subject matter. So, what does this algorithm update mean for businesses? See, for businesses that rely on organic search, the pressure is building. While Google keeps insisting their updates are about quality, the timing and effects are hard to ignore. Many websites are seeing their traffic tank right after these updates, while those running Google ads are getting more visibility than ever. It's like the organic rankings are being pushed down the page and the ads are sitting pretty at the top. In the end, this update is just another reminder of how important it is to diversify your marketing strategies. Sure, creating high quality content that aligns with Google's guidelines is key, but without a paid ad strategy, it's becoming harder to stay competitive. So, is Google really doing this on purpose? Well, that's the $1 million question. Google's official stance is that they're just trying to improve the user experience. Duh. But considering their massive ad revenue, it's tough to ignore that feeling that updates like this are subtly nudging businesses toward Google Ads as the only way to remain visible. Is it a coincidence that Google's ad revenue keeps rising with each core update? Maybe, maybe not. Either way, businesses need to be prepared for a search landscape where ads are a bigger part of the game than ever before. So, while the November update might promise better search results, it might also signal the start of a new phase where Google's organic search results are more advertisement than ever. I provided evidence since 2011 that all these algorithm updates are to push ads higher and push down organic search results there, because Google is not making money off of it. Google is making 80% of Google's income comes from advertising. on YouTube and or the Google networks. Of course, they change the algorithm to push ads higher. There is no doubt about it. Just read my article, you will find out. During all these years, I'm following Google. Every algorithm updates happening. I do my testing, then I update my page about the evolution of Google algorithms since 19. Christmas is around the corner. Google needs more money to make Google company's owner and their project happy and their investors, shareholders happy. Of course, Google keeps changing algorithms to make more money off of Google advertising and paid advertising campaign. Thank you for watching and have a lovely day.